Hello, I'm Gokram Takir's virtual assistant. In this video, I'll explain what a project management office, commonly known as a PMO, really is, why organizations need one, and how a PMO adds value when it is established correctly. Most people think a PMO is just a unit that asks for reports, but in reality, when implemented properly, a PMO becomes the strategic backbone of an organization. Today, I will walk you through exactly why that is. Let's start with the basic question: what is a PMO? A PMO is a strategic function within an organization that standardizes project processes, guides project teams, optimizes resource usage, ensures information flow, and supports project managers. In other words, a PMO helps projects become more predictable, more controlled, and more successful. Think of it as the central office that ensures all projects speak the same language. The main purpose of a PMO is simple: to increase the value the organization gains from its projects. How does it achieve this? First, by standardizing processes. Imagine an environment where every project manager works differently. No one knows who is doing what or how. A PMO removes this chaos and ensures everyone follows a common methodology. This increases speed, improves quality, and makes decision-making much easier. Second, a PMO provides visibility. If leadership cannot see what's happening across projects, they cannot make the right decisions. A PMO monitors the status of all projects from a single point and presents clear, accurate, and timely information to senior management. With this visibility, leaders can detect risks earlier, manage costs more effectively, and intervene at the right time. Another key contribution of a PMO is resource optimization. When multiple projects run simultaneously, valuable resources like people, time, and budget are often misallocated. A PMO ensures resources are assigned to the right projects at the right time, preventing overload while creating a more sustainable working environment. But is a PMO only about processes and reporting? Absolutely not. A PMO is also a support center for project managers. It provides methodology training, templates, troubleshooting assistance, and in some organizations even appoints the project managers. In this sense, the PMO strengthens not only the projects, but also the people leading them. Now let's address an important point. Why do some PMOs fail? Many PMOs shut down within a few years simply because their purpose wasn't clearly defined. A PMO that exists only to send reports will never be taken seriously. Another common failure point is bureaucracy. A PMO should not overwhelm teams with documentation. Its goal is to simplify work, not complicate it. Too many forms, too many approvals, and too many rigid rules can turn a PMO into an obstacle instead of a value creator. When we look at successful PMOs, they all share the same characteristics. They are designed according to the organization's real needs. They are customer-oriented. They operate in a lean and value-driven manner, and they build strong relationships with both leadership and project teams. Such PMOs are recognized as valuable partners, not administrative burdens. In this video, we explored what a PMO is, what its purpose is, how it contributes to projects and organizations, and why some PMOs struggle to succeed. In the next video, we'll examine the different types of PMOs: supportive, controlling, directive, and hybrid, and explain how each one works. If you are planning to establish a PMO or improve an existing one, these insights will be extremely helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to follow the rest of the series.